Hello friends, welcome to my channel GK by JK. Before we start, please like, share and subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for new videos. My first question is, the official legal advisor to the state government is? The correct answer is C, the Advocate General. My second question is, the Advocate General for the state is appointed by? The correct answer is B, the Governor of State. My third question is, which one is eligible for the post of the Advocate General of a state? The correct answer is B, a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of the High Court. My fourth question is, the total number of members in the Legislative Council of a state cannot exceed? The correct answer is B, 1/3 of the total number of members in the Legislative Assembly. My fifth question is, the total number of members of the Legislative Council can in no case be less than? The correct answer is A, 40. My sixth question is, who among the following recommended to the Parliament for the abolition of the Legislative Council in a state? The correct answer is D, the Legislative Assembly of the concerned state. My seventh question is, which is the upper chamber of state legislative in India? The correct answer is A, Legislative Council. My eighth question is, in any state of India, Legislative Council can be created or abolished? The correct answer is D, by the Parliament as per resolution passed by the Legislative Assembly of the state. My ninth question is, which one of the following is the period for the Legislative Council to detain the ordinary bills? The correct answer is B, 3 months. My 10th question is, procedure for creation of Legislative Council in states has been described in which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is B, Article 169. My 11th question is, which one of the following states does not have a bicameral legislative, that is Vidhan Parishad plus Vidhan Sabha? The correct answer is B, MP. My 12th question is, the maximum number of members that the Legislative Assembly of a state in India can have is? The correct answer is C, 500. My 13th question is, who is authorized to transfer the judges of one high court to another high court? The correct answer is A, the President. My 14th question is, why did one of the high courts in India decree that the bundles are unconstitutional and punitive? The correct answer is A, it infringes on the fundamental rights of some groups of people. My 15th question is, the judges of the High Court hold office? The correct answer is B, till they have attained 62 years of age. My 16th question is, the Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by? The correct answer is D, President on the advice of Governor of the state concerned and the Chief Justice of India. My 17th question is, which of the following states, union territories have a common high court? The correct answer is B, Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. My 18th question is, in which year was High Court in Madras established? The correct answer is C, 1881. My 19th question is, the mobile court in India is the brainchild of? The correct answer is A, Justice Bhagwati. My 20th question is, a High Court judge addresses his letter of resignation to? The correct answer is A, the President. My 21st question is, which one of the following Indian states does not keep its own High Court? The correct answer is D, Manipur. My 22nd question is, which of the following High Court has the largest number of benches? The correct answer is D, Guwahati High Court. My 23rd question is, which one of the following is not the main jurisdiction of the High Court of a state? The correct answer is A, advisory jurisdiction. My 24th question is, the first High/Supreme Court judge who voluntarily made public his assets is? The correct answer is C, Justice K. Kannan. My 25th question is, to which one of the following funds are salary and allowances of the judges of High Court of a state charged? The correct answer is B, Consolidated Fund of the state. My 26th question is, which one of the following high courts has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island? The correct answer is B, Calcutta. My 27th question is, how many high courts in India have jurisdiction over more than one state, union territories not included? The correct answer is A, 2. My 28th question is, to which of the following states the Special Marriage Act 1954 does not apply? The correct answer is D, Jammu and Kashmir. My 29th question is, which article of the Constitution of India accords special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is D, 370. My 30th question is, which one of the following states has a separate constitution? The correct answer is C, Jammu and Kashmir. My 31st question is, who appoints the government of Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is D, the President of India. My 32nd question is, which of the following states can nominate 2 women members to the Legislative Assembly? The correct answer is C, Jammu and Kashmir. My 33rd question is, power, authority and responsibilities of municipalities are listed in which one of the following schedules of the Constitution of India? The correct answer is 12th schedule. My 34th question is, where was the first municipal corporation in India set up? The correct answer is D, Madras. My 35th question is, the Constitution 74th Amendment Act 1993 mentions of the following. The correct answer is D, the municipalities. My 36th question is, provisions regarding municipalities and panchayats was made in the Indian Constitution in which year? The correct answer is B, 1993. My 37th question is, a committee appointed in 1977 to review working of the Panchayati Raj was chaired by? The correct answer is B, Ashok Mehta. My 38th question is, which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj? The correct answer is C, Article 40. My 39th question is, what was the reason of Gandhiji's support to decentralization of power? The correct answer is A. Decentralization ensures more participation of the people into democracy. My 40th question is, which of the following is not a Panchayati Raj institution? The correct answer is D. Gram Cooperative Society. My 41st question is, the implementation of Jawahar Rozgar Yojana rests with? The correct answer is A. Gram Panchayat. My 42nd question is, when was the Panchayati Raj system introduced in India? The correct answer is C, 1959. My 43rd question is, which of the following is a source of income of the Gram Panchayats? The correct answer is D, levy duties. My 44th question is, all day-to-day functions of the Panchayat in which of the following states are being operated on an electronic system and are web-based? The correct answer is A, Kerala. My 45th question is, the Constitution of India mandates that the elections of the Panchayati Raj should be held regularly after a gap of? The correct answer is A, 2 years. My 46th question is, the 73rd Amendment of the Indian Constitution deals with? The correct answer is A, Panchayati Raj. My 47th question is, which one of the following amendments of the Constitution of India deals with the issue of strengthening of the Panchayati Raj? The correct answer is C, 73rd. My 48th question is, which one of the following states started the Panchayati Raj institution soon after the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act was passed? The correct answer is A, Karnataka. My 49th question is, the Ashok Mehta Committee laid greater emphasis on? The correct answer is B, Mandal Panchayat. My 50th question is, which is not the powers of Panchayati Raj institution in India? The correct answer is D, none of these. Thank you for watching my video.